Is your car's acceleration feeling off or unresponsive? Stick around because in just a few steps, I'll show you how to reset your throttle position sensor and get your car running like a dream again. Guys, today we're going to talk about how to reset a throttle position sensor. Whether you're tackling this issue because of rough idling, poor acceleration, or that pesky check engine light, don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's get started. Let's quickly cover what the throttle position sensor does. The TPS monitors how far your throttle is open and sends that info to your car's computer ECU. If it's out of sync, your car might hesitate, stall, or even go into limp mode. Not good, right? Don't worry, most of the time, you don't need to replace it. Sometimes, just resetting it can fix those problems, and I'll show you how. Here's what you'll need for this job. Don't worry, it's a straightforward process, and you probably already have these tools at home. A basic socket wrench or screwdriver set. A multimeter optional, but helpful for testing. Safety gloves, a clean cloth, or some paper towels. If you are purchasing any product, please check out the links in the description below. That's it, no fancy tools needed. Now, before you get started, safety first. Step 1. Locate the throttle position sensor. First, locate your TPS. It'll be on the throttle body, which is connected to your air intake. If you're not sure, check your owner's manual for help. Step 2. Disconnect the battery. Next, disconnect the negative terminal of your car battery. This ensures there's no power to the electronics while we reset the sensor. Step 3. Remove and clean the sensor. If your TPS is dirty, this is a great time to clean it. Use a clean cloth to wipe away any gunk or carbon buildup that might interfere with its operation. Step 4. Reconnect the sensor. Secure the TPS back in its spot and make sure all the screws are tight. Double check that it's seated correctly. Step 5. Reconnect the battery. Now, reconnect the battery. You're almost done. Step 6. Relearn the TPS if needed. Some cars require a relearning process for the TPS. To do this, turn the key to the on position without starting the engine. Slowly press the gas pedal to the floor, then release it slowly. Do this a couple of times, then turn the car off. And that's it, now you've successfully reset your TPS. Once you've reset the sensor, start your car and take it for a short drive. Pay attention to how it feels. Is the idling smooth, no jerks or hesitation? If things seem off, you might want to revisit the process or consult a mechanic. And remember, resetting the TPS won't fix every engine problem. If you're still seeing the check engine light or noticing issues, there could be another underlying problem. If it did, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to car problems, you've got this. See you in the next video.